TikTok just taught me a new word, Henry. It stands for high earner, but not rich yet. And the reason why I think this is so interesting because this is my target market. And this creator, I'll tag her below. She's amazing. She goes on to talk about investing. So they're earning a high income, but they're not rich yet because they're not investing. They're not in a place where they can invest yet. So I own a business that actually shops for Henrys in terms of like designer furniture and furnishing their homes. And what that looks like is very different than what you would think what a rich person looks like, because they want all the same designer pieces, but they're savvy enough to know that they're still on a budget. But here's the thing, they're now at a place in life where they're starting to make income, and they want nicer things. They want the comfortable sofa. They want to say like, all my hard work's paid off, and now like my space in my home is a reflection of that. Or they just really genuinely are at a different place in life where they want to be at home, so they're creating that sanctuary. And so how I shop differently for my Henrys is that I am an expert on when to splurge and when to save. And the way I do that is I always negotiate, excuse me, the lowest prices on designer furnitures for my Henrys, or I'll give them the dupes. And so the dupes, majority of the dupes are listed in my Amazon storefront, and I like to do it by like Pottery Barn, West Elm, so you can actually see the actual dupes from the different stores. And then my shopping service is where I go in and negotiate Pottery Barn, West Elm, and even the designer one pieces that you see in a boutique. And so you can still be a Henry and have a nice home while still getting ready to invest.